Hello everyone, today we're unboxing the Overclock 4C Mini PC, so let's open the packaging box. First, we see the quick start guide. Next, let's take a quick look at its design from various angles. This mini PC is equipped with abundant interfaces, including USB 3.0, USB 2.0, HDMI, etc. Now, on to the accessories. First up is the VESA-mounted bracket. Next is the Overclock 4C compatible power supply, which comes with two plug adapters. Lastly, there's a pack of screws for the mounting bracket. Now let's take a look at everything inside the packaging box. We offer 4 different types of plugs, compatible with the socket standards of various countries and regions, so you don't have to worry about purchasing an unsuitable power adapter. You can clearly see its compact design, perfect for modern office desktops. This mini PC features a rich array of interfaces, including USB 3.0, USB 2.0, full-function USB-C, power USB-C, HDMI, audio jack, LAN, and a micro SD card slot, meeting various functional needs. Now, let's start up this mini PC.